From the weather team you can trust, here's Chief Meteorologist Eric Sneidel.
At this point last night, we were already in the process of watching our air temperatures dropping below zero, destined to go to 9 below. We had some double-digit below zero readings late last night and earlier this morning. We're not going to do that. We're 14 degrees right now. That's probably about as low as we are going to get. The wind flow is going to be in the process of turning southerly, and that's going to do a dramatic number on what things look and feel like around here tomorrow. Today makes day 18 in a row since Rochester has had an air temperature that has broken the freezing mark. Feels like we got to be getting into record territory, right? Not even top 10, if you can believe that. The greatest stretch that we have had before getting back up to 33 degrees, so getting above freezing, was 41 in a row back in 1978. I can't even imagine with how cold it's been with this stretch. That's more than double what we have currently gone through out of this. Satellite and radar overall, there's more cloud cover continuing to build in here, and that's going to be a thing and a trend all the way into tomorrow morning. Note off to our north, we've got some snow showers and this little lip here. Warmer air advecting in aloft at first with more potent winds with a low-level jet. That should allow this to start to organize a bit more as we head into tomorrow morning. I am really curious what some of the lakes are going to look like over the next 24 hours with the ice. This is what happened yesterday on Lake Erie. Look at that giant fracture that opened up literally in just an hour or two. And then it spent the rest of last night and today widening. This was overnight. Now wait for this. The visible satellite comes back with sunrise earlier this morning. You see how much thicker that is than what it was when it started. And now that the winds are about to start pushing southerly with temps breaking freezing, it's going to look very different yet again over the next day or two. Future view into the morning. So as much as I want to talk about the fact that tomorrow's our warmest day in like 3 weeks, it is, there could still be that sneaky window of a few hours of maybe some moderate snow here in the morning. I doubt overall this is going to make that much of an impact, but if this comes through and deposits a quick ½ inch to an inch at 7, 8, 9 a.m., yeah, it's probably going to slow things down and make things a bit slick. The impact from there is negligible because a lot of it just melts. We'll go into the middle and upper 30s. There could be a light wintry mix, maybe even some rain involved with that. Again, does not feel like a big ticket affair. And then the flow starts turning more west and then northwest going into Wednesday. And you know what that means. We get to talk more lake effect snow out of this, especially late Wednesday into Wednesday night. What's missing, though, is the bitterly cold air. What we just went through this weekend, I don't see any signs imminently here that we're going to be dealing with that again anytime soon, even with this additional lake effect. By the time we're done with this on Thursday, this is the addition of what is still going to be yet to fall here. For a lot of you, probably about 2 to 5 inches or so, which, you know, after tomorrow, we may lose a few inches to melting and compaction, so Mother Nature just throws it right back at us. Rest of the week will be spent below freezing. But then this weekend, we go back above again. It's not by a lot, but it's above, and we may stay above for at least a couple of days out of this in the next week.